Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila. Welcome to my channel Anna Vanila Arts, where I share everything with you. I demonstrate, I show the things that I do, the things that I can do, and hopefully it may be helpful to you. If you watch my videos, maybe you will be able to learn a bit more about certain things that you might not know before watching my video. And I draw, I knit, I do knotting, I do crocheting, I do all sorts of things. So please feel comfortable to subscribe to get interesting content and nice videos. And for today I've chosen to make this hat in pink color in acrylic yarn, needles number 5, and I've got 77 loops, 77 stitches on my needles. So the first loop, we just transfer it onto the front right needle. Then we need 2 front stitches. After this we need 2 purl stitches, 2 front stitches, 2 purl stitches, 2 front stitches, 2 purl stitches, and so on. You need all this row in the same way, but you have to start with a front stitch, the first 2 to be 2 front stitches, and then everything will going to be ending correctly, and you knit like this until the end of this row. 2 purl stitches, 2 front stitches. Even a beginner could do this pattern easily. If you know how to knit a front stitch and a purl stitch, it's all you need to be able to knit something like this. So you need to knit the first 2 stitches as a front stitch, then the other pair is a purl stitch, and then again you start front stitch, and then again purl stitch. So you need 2 of each, 2 loops of each, 2 of purl stitches, 2 of front stitches. Now this is the end of this first row, and it ends with 2 front stitches, and then we knit purl stitches at the end. Now we do the reverse. Again, what we need to do, this is second row, knit. So the first one we just transfer it on the first needle and right needle. The first loop we knit is front stitch, and another one another front stitch. So 2 front stitches and 2 purl stitches, 2 front stitches and 2 purl stitches, 2 front stitches and 2 purl stitches, and that's how you knit until the end. And we again start with 2 front stitches from beginning, and if you do it correctly you will see the pattern developing like so. If it develops like so, it means you are doing it correctly. So it's not a big deal, it's not difficult, but you might get confused at times, but if the pattern lays out like so, means you're doing it correctly. So we just continue to front stitches. So this is the head that we've made, and this is a stitch at the back here through the center. You can see it going here. Now what we need to do is hide the stitch, plus also securing it so that it does not unravel. So we do a couple of times like this through the loops. I make a knot to secure it like this, and then I just hide it through the loops. As you can see, you follow the stitch. And now we cut it off, cut off this string. And let's talk about the hat itself. Wow, I think it's fantastic. You would agree with me, I hope. Hello again everyone, this is the finished piece, the finished hat for the summer. As you can see, it's nice, it's stretchy, it's beautiful pattern despite being a very one of a very simple patterns to knit. Even a beginner could do it. If you can do purl stitches and front stitches, this is a project for you. This is at the back. I've done a careful stitching at the back with my favorite needle, which is neon green. So I've stitched it at the back like so. I've hidden the odds and ends, the yarn here behind. When you wear it, make sure this is at the back. As you can see, it's stretchy, it's beautiful, it's simple to make, very easy to make. I have knitted from pink yarn. As you can see, it's acrylic yarn, needles number 5, and it creates this wonderful pattern, wonderful look and unique effect. If you were to do one yourself, you would feel and look very stylish, and this hat will certainly give you a lot of compliments. And I think it's fantastic to make a hat like so, which is simple. This is the crown of the head, how it looks like. And I think this pattern can be suitable for any other garments, for anyone, from a man to a woman to a child, and it can make you look very stylish, especially if the color is as juicy, as beautiful as pink as this. Now let's test it on my mannequin. It looks fantastic, I love it. Have a look. It looks nice on the head, forehead. It covers the ears nicely. it hugs the head nicely. As you can see, this is a stitch, barely seen, and look how nice this pattern looks like. It's fantastic. I love it. I cannot wait to wear it myself. Indeed. I hope you love it too. I hope you love it enough to make one yourself. Please share with me and send to me some pictures of the garments that you make from my channel, from my videos, and I'll be happy to see them and glad to share these patterns with you. I've been Anna Vanila, and this is my channel. Welcome to my channel, Anna Vanila Arts, and see you soon in the next video. For now, good luck in your knitting patterns, your knitting and drawing and anything else that you do which is arts. Let's have fun together creating artistical pieces. Thank you for watching. Bye.